Very low gig impressions. No clicks on gig. Gig not ranking. No worries because here is solution of your all problems. Hello guys. Welcome back to your channel, SR Solution. That always provides solutions of your problems. Today I have one good and one bad news for all of you. Starting with bad news is, Fiverr changed their algorithm. Yes. But no worries because good news is that today's you all are also updated your gig creation algorithm. In this video I'll give you a free bonus tip or a keyword that rank on Fiverr in just 5 minutes and work as a magical for your freelance career. So why we are waiting for? Wait, if you don't subscribe my channel then please subscribe it and gives a thumbs up. So let's start our video. The main thing in Fiverr gig is gig title that must be unique, eye-catching and low competition. But finding that keyword is not an easy task, but no worries, here solution. Go to keyword.io and select Fiverr and enter your keyword. Here relative keywords appear. Check one by one all. And select low competitive. Here I choose my keyword. Just check this keyword competition and tell me in comments what's their competition percentage. If you want to know how can I find this keyword, just comment me, I'll definitely answer you. Here my title is ready. Category is selected automatically. Here positive keyword is very important in ranking factor. So for this, go to Fiverr and search your keyword and select top 5 top rated or level 2 seller gig. And choose 5 common tags in them. Here I selected my 5 tags. Next step is pricing. I skip this one because you set this tab according to your skill and category. Next is description that play a very important role in gig ranking, but writing a unique and SEO description is difficult task, but no problem, I've solution. Go to bard.com and paste your gig title. Here your gig description is ready. Just copy and paste it in description box. Edit a bit if you want. Next is add any of your question which you want to ask from your client. I simply write one question and add it. Next and the final step is gig images, and that play very important role in gig ranking. Here I make my gig images. Click on images and select your image. Don't forget to paste gig title in image name, because that affect ranking. If you want to know how I create or design my Fiverr gig images, just comment me. If more comments, I'll make a complete guide video for all of you, because my gig images ranks in seconds and give me 110% result. So here your gig is ready to rank, just click done and publish. So here times for your bonus keyword. But before getting that one, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Today's keyword is social media marketing for e-commerce. Just check their competition and trust me, that's shocking one. Okay, that's our today video.